I'm just glad I just met friends from my town.
We have to find good foods right around in Banaras.
Yes, it's very hectic from 9 to 12. It's theory classes.
Everyone is facing the same schedule, so everyone is also like.
Hey and welcome. Today I have came here in Bhava hostel in BHU, and also this is hostel for MSc students. Here are different subjects of MSc students. So today I came here to meet them and talk them what they think about BHU and how their life here. Let's go.
Hello, myself Praveen Topno. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I'm pursuing MSc in Geology, Institute of Science.
Hello, my name is Nisant Minj, and I'm from Lohardaga, Jharkhand, and I did my BSc from St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, and now I'm studying in BHU M.SC Geology.
My name is Aditya Kumar and I have studied my BSc from Xavier's College Ranchi, and currently I am in BHU studying same as them, MSc in Geology.
My name is Bisal Topno and I am from Raurkela, Odisha, Sundargarh district, and I am pursuing MSc in Physics in Institute of Science, Banaras Hindu University.
How are you feeling in BHU right now?
It's quite different from other universities here.
I'm just glad I just met friends from my hometown, and it's quite nice. People are very friendly and everything. I made friends from all over the India, so it's quite nice. Food is good outside, not in the hostel.
Like other people have some, like people think that BHU is my dream and I will come and read. Something like that happened with you?
No,
Not really.
it was just sudden.
Sudden decision or sudden choice, so to say. Actually, this is like for everyone. First time outside of state, studying outside our state, and we are glad that we got BHU for our MSc. People are like from, like you said, like from each corner of India, like literally from east to north, south, everywhere. And I'm glad I met these people. They're from my hometown and from same college.
Yeah, that's the nice thing that when you come in hostel, you get so many different people being good friends.
As well as old friends.
Okay.
Like it's been 3 to 4 months after coming here. Now I feel like I have adapted to like everything, food and hostel itself. Now
It was completely a change, right? From where we come, like class hours to how hard you have to study, the level of study here, everything was different. Food was a little different, but we found some common ground. Like we have to find good foods right around in Banaras.
How are you feeling in your department? Did your classes are going well?
Yes, it's very hectic from 9 to 12. It's theory classes, then after that from 2 to 5 it's lab, so it's very busy schedule and tight schedule. We don't get enough time for ourselves, and it's quite very difficult for me here in starting days due to many reasons, and now I have adapted all the things, self-study, late night study and many more.
Yeah, BHU have a hectic schedule for everyone. तो सुबह मेरे ख्याल से सुबह 9 बजे क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाती है आप लोगों की 5 बजे तक. तो संडे को क्या करते हैं चिल्ड के लिए फॉर फ्रेशिंग द माइंड? कोई एंजॉयमेंट, पार्टी वार्टी, समथिंग, एनीथिंग?
इवनिंग में कैंटीन का खाना डिच करते हैं.
Evening because there's no dinner in our mess, right?
So we go out, explore
we have to go
Banaras,
out.
explore Varanasi. It's a good place where you can see the rich culture of India, like old buildings and famous stalls.
Like you said, you 4 guys are from different place, not from UP. So what the thing you have liked right now from Banaras, that this is the place, yeah, I love it, something like that? Anything special you found here? You didn't like anything in BHU?
We love our hometown. We love our old hometown. I won't lie.
People are hometown.
But
the campus is really nice.
campus is very
It's very reflection.
Campus is like really big and campus is really big and how to say it's clean, sort of. Actually, the main I think it's fascinating and more interesting for me. Like we meet lots of people from everywhere and different thoughts, different experiences, and we learn from them, right? More than our studies, we learn from people. That was the main objective or motive to go out of our hometown and to study in a bigger university, right?
I mean, students like who were studying earlier here were like, first we thought they all are like egoistic animals. It seems to be like that only, but because we didn't obviously we won't interact for first few months or days. Then we came to know, like, now we are making friends, like
After we came to our hostel, we got our hostel and
then we like managed our way out, and it is going quite smooth, and also like due to everyone is facing the same schedule, so everyone is also like busy in their own lives, and
life is not same outside of BHU and inside the BHU. So you feel lucky that you get a hostel.
we are lucky and fortunate that we got the hostel, because it's like difficult if you live outside the campus. It's pretty far, right? If you live outside the campus from our hostel, it's like 10 minutes walk. If you have a bicycle, then reach your department in a minute or two. But we were living outside campus when we didn't have a hostel.
Guys are the first batch of MSc CUET, because before yours there are no CUET concept, only their NTA take admission, but you are the first batch of CUET. So tell me the information that people get know about CUET. How was the paper? What the syllabus? Do you have any idea?
For MSc, there are different types of papers in CUET, but we are specifically focused on the MSc part. And for MSc, there are 100 questions, out of which is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Part A consists of 20 questions and it's 25 questions, and part B consists of 75 questions, and each question carry 4 marks, and there will be a negative marking of 1, and if it's unanswered, then no marks will be given. And the part A consists of language comprehension, verbal ability, general knowledge, mathematics, quantitative aptitude, which is common for all, and the rest 75 questions are domain specific knowledge.
Means first paper is for common for every other subject.
Every other subject also, and the rest 75 questions is of particular subject knowledge. Like mine is physics, so it is based on the physics part, and like there are other papers, it's for them it's geology is the main domain subject.
Like you have physics and you three guys have a geology. Okay.
What's planning after your MSc?
In our subject, like MSc Geology, after you do your MSc Geology, there are a couple of exams you can give, like exam conducted by UPSC called GSI. You can become a geologist at GSI if you clear that exam. There's GATE, NET, JRF if you want to go in research. You can also join companies, private companies, if you clear your GATE and if you clear your interviews after that.
Planned roughly an idea it is like to give GSI exam, and of course I'll give GSI Geological Survey of India. They recruit geologists and hydrogeologists as well, but more details is like you can search of course in the net. And of course I'll give GATE exam. So by giving GATE Geology you can there's a wide scope. You can also go in research, and also like companies hire So if you get a good rank, of course, like on top 1 to 30,
you can get into really good companies like ONGC.
so they take.
I have interest like I like to teach, so maybe if I want to become a professor.
Talking about PhD, in BHU you can also do your PhDs, right? There are PhD scholars as well in our department. Quite few. In our department, there's 31 faculties, and each faculty has their PhD students. It's a tough life. You have to study. You have to study and to be in the department whole day, right? And study.
There are a lot of books available for CUET. Means earlier which exam was conducted for BHU. It can read the basic geological books like KM Banger and other, or you can join coachings as well, online coachings.
There are few online coachings as well that will prepare you for your CUET entrance. It's quite useful, I think, because many people in our class as well have in BSc, right? We didn't have classes for 1.5 years. Like, we are from online classes, and we didn't get to study in our classes, offline classes. So not much get to learn in our college. So many people joined online coaching as well, or offline coaching to prepare for the CUET. There's quite few books starting from the basics, but you will study in BSc.
What you study in BSc, the whole syllabus will come.
Not different from what you will learn in your graduation.
In your graduation, if you are following those books, you must follow same books for this entrance. And I think it is not too tough to crack it.
Not too tough.
Yeah, it's if you prepare for after your graduation, then you start preparing for, if you really want to pursue MSc, then after that you can also start preparing for this, and it will be easy to crack.
Like we can see that you are staying in Bhava hostel. So in Bhava hostel for MSc, na?
Yeah, first year.
First year MSc student.
Any second year MSc will you shift?
Dalmia hostel, which is just beside our hostel.
Okay. So what's the criteria for getting hostel?
For getting an hostel, you must have good number in your CUET entrance mark, and for consideration, the distance is also seen. If the distance of the student is very high, very long, then it's very chance that you will get the hostel. Otherwise, you will not get the hostel.
If your hometown is quite far from Banaras, then it's high chance that you will get a hostel. But if you live near Banaras or BHU or in UP, then if you score a really good marks in your CUET, then you can get a hostel.
So how you feeling hostel? Do you liking this hostel?
This is only for first year MSc student, right? So everyone is from same year, same age group, and no seniority or juniority here. So people you don't have to respect if you live in a hostel where there's second year, third year students, so you have to give respect to your seniors. You can't talk straightforward talk to them. You have to always bow to them like that. So this is not in our hostel, so no problem with that. Everyone enjoys. If one people start shouting, everyone starts shouting. Nobody will come and stop you from shouting. Enjoyment is non-stop, and if people are studying I don't know about studying in a hostel. People are always shouting and making noise. Like home, nothing can feel like a home. No place can feel like a home. No bed can feel like your own bed. You'll always want to go back to your house and sleep in your bed. Yeah, you have to make yourself comfortable, right? If you want to live in this room, in this hostel.
What you will give the message the future generation were wanting to become in BHU?
Going to BHU is not bad, of course not, because it is like one of the biggest in Asia, I think. Yeah, so it is never a bad option to come here. You can also always, like, if you want to have to pursue your PG and all, then it is a really nice place. And of course, you get a BHU tag, which will always matter for you for your lifetime. Yeah, it is a very nice place to complete your studies. Yeah, I'd recommend, like, if you are getting this college for your studies, so please.
BHU is on par with like most of the IITs, right? You can get the IIT level education here because faculties are top notch. Prepare you for your future really, and because our faculty members are from different field, different places. They're also from everywhere from India, and our like professors, faculties have studied their did their research from like Western countries, from UK, from USA, from Mexico, everywhere. So you will learn from them for sure.
Yes, there are many things to explore in BHU campus, but it's quite difficult for us to manage times because there are very hectic time schedules. So if you come here, then in your holidays you can explore the whole university, and there are also IIT BHU where you can go and enjoy there also. There, and the best thing here is the central library, which is very famous for it's also get the best library award this year. So you can go there and study.
Like, what's the mess charge of your hostel, Baba hostel?
Mess charge.
Mess charge.
50
rupees per meal.
50 rupees.
50 rupees per meal, and there's lunch and a dinner.
And there are also special days where you get chicken, non-veg, and paneer also.
It takes 70.
It takes 70 or 80
70
rupees.
or 70 to 80.
70
if
to
you
80
eat
rupees.
non-veg.
Okay, let's wrap up by your introduction.
My name is Bisal Tupno, and I am from Odisha, Sundargarh, and I am pursuing MSc in physics.
My name is Praveen Topno and I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I'm pursuing MSc in Geology from BHU.
In first year, right?
Yeah.
My name is Nishant Minch and I'm from Lohardaga, Jharkhand, and I'm pursuing MSc in Geology. First year.
Thank you. I am Aditya Kumar. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and currently I am doing MSc in Geology from BHU itself.
Right, thank you so much for your the time, and I hope you get a good time here in BHU and get success your MSc. Thank you.
Thank you so much, bro.